So this is a correlation chart. You want to show trend line in the select and drag the trend line in the linear. Okay. So it means that your price to revenue is in the positive direction. Okay. So it is showing you if your price is increasing, your average revenue is also increasing. Correct? Fine. No problem. So how I have calculated it? I have calculated average revenue by this one to check just edit sum of the total revenue divided by the total of the count the order ID, right? And then I clicked on OK. Fine. So this one will be correlation chart. Price to average revenue. Now if you want to add any more value, just table it to the category wise and it will show you the color and size and show size. If you want label, select label. Right? If you want detail, then just select detail. Right? So accordingly, fine, fine. So now is a correlation chart. Any doubt, any problem, please ask me. So today we have seen how to create the parameter, how to create the discount price value, how to create the average revenue, right? That's it. How to create the aggregated values, everything, right? Now I want to show you three functions, right? So if you want to go analysis, right? If you want to aggregate marks, okay. Suppose if you want to correlation between the two values, you have to stop with aggregated measure. Otherwise, you will get the only one value, right? For example, I want to show you. Suppose you want to show correlation between total revenue and price, right? It's only one value, right? For other, because it is summing up, right? So for that reason, go there and please don't show me aggregated measures. Okay. So the chart will show you the correlation plot. Okay. Next, right? And you also wait in the correlation plot, right? And this is sold and this is total discounted amount. Right? Now, let's come to uh, I want to take product category versus price. Right? It is showing you the tree map. This is a tree map in Tableau, correct? So we will show you if you want to change any color. So we can change the color also. Fine. So this is the tree map. If you want to give the color, we can give the color also. Once again, first give the size, and then in second one give the color. So that will be fine. In third one, then select the detailing or table marks is available, product category. Fine. So this is the tree map for multiple atoms. So this is how you can create the multiple charts and all this. Now, yesterday I have shown you the pie chart, right? Yeah, pie chart I have already shown. So there are some other charts also which is very similar, like bubble chart, circle wave. Okay, so it is very similar to uh, whatever we have covered in the Power BI. Okay. So anything I have already covered, and if you have any kind of a problem, you can just ask me anytime. Just count versus product category. Okay. So this is a table view for every product category. Now, if you can track bubbles, this is a track bubble view. So size will be bigger for every chart, every dot. It is compare as per the their contribution. Okay, so for example, biggest is which one? Beauty 8465. Then comes fashion. Then comes home kitchen. Then comes books. Then electronics. Then sports. Right. So this is how you can manage. Right. So this is all about the Tableau. So we have learned about the creating calculated field, creating parameters, creating charts of different size. Okay, how to analyze, how to create the chart, how to create the dashboard. Now, what is the dashboard? I want to show you dashboard. Okay, so if you can see here, there is a column. Okay, this is the sheet, right? And there is a dashboard also. If you can click here. So in the dashboard, what happens? And you want to see a multiple outputs into a single sheet. Okay, that is known as a dashboard. Okay, so for example, I want to show bar chart. I want to show pie chart. Okay, so bar chart will be below, pie chart will be above. Okay, and then I want to show what? Just drag me down. I want to show my uh, math. Right? So this is how you can manage and create a compact list. Right? So if you see here, this entire list create a standard, it will become a standard, right? Fit height, it will be fit height. If you want to enter it will be enter. Okay. So if you click on everything, that will be highlighted automatically. Right? So this is a bar chart, the tab symbol. So whenever you want to make a compact view for the multiple graphs into one graph, that is your dashboard. Okay, so how you can recognize dashboard? For a dashboard, there is a four squares are given and then there is a plus. Okay, so new dashboard you can create, right? So you can also increase the size. Okay, size. Okay, that's it. Okay, the size will increase, right? It's better able to understand different things. So for every location, for everything, what is the distribution, what is the trend, everything you can see, right? That's it. Now I want to show you how to put the trend chart. Right? So now this is very important. Now I want to show you trend. Okay. So I have ordered it. I will take into the column. Okay. And I will take total revenue in the rows. Right. Now, as you can see, it is showing me sum of total revenue 5, and I want to see the price also. So I will take the sum of price also. Right. And I will click on the develops. I want to compare the price and revenue. Fine. And what I will do, I will add. Now I don't want this. So what I will do, I will just click on it and click on month. Right? That will be better. And I remove every remove quarter. I remove year. Right? So if you can see here for month order, I have a total revenue and I have a total. Yes, I did. Let's see. Under so price and total revenue. So blue one is the price, and but it is not looking good. So what I can do? I can do something. Do it with uh, some of price. Second, price and total revenue. Price of the that is better. Now I don't want one price. I will remove this person. That is better. At month of order date for every order. What is the respective fluctuation in the price is very much. That is how you can create the multiple comparisons. As specifically, they are highly correlated with each other because the fluctuations are very similar in the both the values. So your price is increasing, your revenue is also increasing. And so one more thing, if you want to forecast, suppose if you want to predict the future value, so what you can do, go to the analytics, click on the forecast, it will give the forecasted value also, right? So in my data, till November 2023, value is available, right? Now if you can see here, I have a two values there, estimated price and estimated revenue, right? It is a predicting the future value. Yeah, so it is predicting for the next 1 year from November 2023, sorry, December 2023 to September 2024, November, October 2024. Okay, understood? So this is how you can forecast the values. Understood or not? Any problem? Please tell me. I will stop here. Tell me value. So where you need to go? Just go there and use the forecast, right? Now if you want to use a trend line, so trend line, it is already in a trend line, not a. Now if you want to find the median, so what you need to do? Drag it here. So this is the median of your price value. 25% converts into a median, right? Right? You want to check average, you also check the average, right? What is the difference between average and median? You already know, right? Average means your mean value, and median means your middle value. Okay, middle of the your sample values, right? That's it. Now, suppose you want to find the outliers from the data and all this, so you can also do the same. So for that, you can use a box plot. Now I have a price, okay, and I want to go analytics, and I have a product category, right? Now, then price, product category, price is there, so some of the price is also there, right? Now, I want to take the total revenue also. Okay. Huh? There, it's the total revenue and the price, correct? This is how you can show the multiple level of your analysis. And you can also color them. So what you need to do, that price will get color. This will want to drag total revenue, so you can drag the total revenue also. So if you don't want, just click on it. And if you want to label the product category, just drag it. If you want to color this also, so click on the price and check product category again. This is also will be highlighted. Okay. So this is how you can create the multiple charts within a single view. Understood? Any problem? So it can be as compared to the Power BI and Tableau, both are very much similar, but in the Tableau there is a limited number of charts. Okay, in the Power BI the charts are so you can directly create a God chart. If you have remember right, you can directly put here. In the Tableau you don't have an option for the God chart. Okay, so there is some. Okay, otherwise both the very good for the dashboard creation. Okay, understood? Now if you click on it, so it will become larger view, presentation view. Okay. So just click to scroll from left to right, every tab will be displayed. Okay. Now I want to show you last week when our tableau will be over. Okay. Now I want to show you one more thing. If you can see here, this is a sheet, this is a dashboard. Okay, now I want to show you new story. Correct? Now suppose I have a new story. I have created. You have dragged the bar chart here, right? Now for everything you can write a story. Okay. So in the sense what you want to convey, Asia is the best performing region for what? Best performing region for who say the best performing region for Assam. Okay. Okay. Middle East is next best. Okay. So this is how you can create a small story which you want to convey to your stakeholders, right? So 5 7 points you can write. So this is the story. Now, pie chart you can also, if you want to show the pie chart, you can show the pie chart, right? So every story you will be able to tell and you can convey to the stakeholder, right? Okay. If you want to create the size, you can change the size also. Okay. So this is all about the want to create want to add new caption. Suppose is a comparison, right? You can create the comparison also. Earlier Asia was the best, now Middle East is the best, right? You can just write Middle East is the best. Okay. So you can just drag and put the bar of here. Just it. So Asia was best earlier, now Middle East was the best, right? So this is how you can compare them. Say earlier for 6 months ago, which one was better? 6 months ago, Asia was better, okay? But now Middle East is better, okay? This is how you can tell this story, right? So this is all about the Tableau. Very strong data visualization tool, right? And this is you can layout if you want to select, select the layout. First dots, arrows only according to your requirement. You can give the layout also, right? Suppose if you want to connect with the person, just control D, connected. Here to Tableau public, so it will go to directly to the Tableau server. So you can show your skill online way, okay, to other people also. Just click on it. Now this is display animation. Animation which we have done so far, it will be displayed, okay. Right? From arrow to raise this to that. Now this new worksheet. If you want to open new worksheet, you can go there. Duplicate. If you want to create a duplicate, you can go there. Okay. Now this is all about the story. So we have a three views. One is a dashboard, one is a normal sheet, another is a story. Okay. Then now data source is a totally different. Data source is where you select your data. Okay. This is a data source. Okay. So data source is where you can extract your data from where you can export the different files the Tableau environment. That's it. So this is all about Tableau. Yeah. So I will clear the tab. I right. Now if you click here, it will be if you want to show, you also do it. If you want to do it, yeah. Also help. Highlight something, you also highlight those values. Okay. So these are different tools which you can use. If you want to use this again, use now just need to click, every chart will be displayed. Right? From beginning to end. Correct? Once it is there, then we can go back. Okay? So this is all about Tableau. So we have covered Tableau, we have covered Power BI, we have covered SQL, and we have covered Python. Correct? So all the four tools which is part of this, what you can say, course has been completed. Now I will take some advanced Excel and Excel, which is very helpful to you also from the tomorrow, and I will show you different kind of statistical measures, right? So this statistical measures in the sense, what is a regression, what is a scatter plot. I've already explained you. So scatter plot is the first base of the regression. Okay. Then we will see the ANOVA, and we will see what is how to find the outlier and all those things, right? That is only small part is pending. So almost 60% of the portion has been completed. Okay. So you can keep on practicing. So it is going to be really helpful for in your job. So it is more than enough. When you are working as a fresher, it is more than enough, which you are taking right now. And once in a job, you can learn, keep on working on your own self, and you can start doing more sophisticated things, right? Yeah. So you are able to plan the interview, you will get a good opportunity, right? So this
Yes.
is all about it. Any doubt from your end, please ask me. So we have 2 minutes.
No doubt.
Okay. And just complete the assignment. The take it in the Power BI. Okay. So Power BI is also very important. Okay. So
Okay.
SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and Python. All we have covered now. Fine. So give me 1 minute. I will save it first. Just click on it. Yes, save it to save. I don't want to publish on a public. I want to save it on my desktop. So click cancel. It is done. Right. So tomorrow, if you want to see this file, what you need to go, just click on file, open from the save. Okay. You can also see, just click on the save file. It will directly open whatever work you have done. Right. So you don't need to touch much. It's directly available. Okay. Everything is available here. Right. So that's it. This is all about Tableau. It's very nice speaking with you people, and best of luck. And hope you get a good opportunities.